Okay, so we got a little bracket to cut here. We're going to use a metal chop saw, circular saw, make our cut. Here we go. Like a hot butter through a knife. So this is 1/4 inch plate. You can see, cuts it beautifully. Well, beautifully if you're straight-eyed as I am. Okay, so we got our vise centered up on the plate. And we'll take a transfer punch. This is a tool used to transfer the center of a hole inside of a larger hole. Take a transfer punch here, make a little indent lightly with it so we have our centers. And then we can transfer it to a larger punch. Okay, so we got a larger center punch here. We're going to use that once we find our holes. Alright, here's one. Make them a little bit bigger. Go over this one again. Okay, there we go. All right, here we go. These are really bad drill bits, so they take a little bit. Harbor Freight specials, you know. Here we go. Alright, next setup. Okay, so here we go. We got this thing mounted. This is actually mounted. This is the top. This is, you know, the chain for mounting it. And we got the rest of it on the angle block that we cut. So what this is going to allow us to do is we're going to be able to clamp our workpiece right in here. Right like that. Looking at it from the bench side, we can get at this now from here, and we made up these caps for the end of the square tubing, so we'll be able to weld these in here now and have this held.